ताणें म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट धाडलो ऑन फेसबूक आनी आय युजली डोंट एक्सेप्ट friend requests if I don't know that person. But when I checked, there was a mutual friend, and his picture also was very attractive, very good looking guy. So I said, okay, why not? So I accepted, and that's how it started. We started chatting, and within 5 days of us like talking and meeting, he asked me if I would want to marry him within 5 days.
5 days?
Yeah. And I was like, okay, आता कितें म्हणपाचें हाका. And I told my parents about him. My dad was like, very good guy, very good boy. Go ahead. आमकां काय problem ना. If you're happy, we are happy. So that was it.
नमस्कार आणि योकार तुमकां सगळ्या पळोवप्यांक आमच्या द रियल टॉक विथ तृप्तीच्या 3ऱ्या एपिसोडान. आयच्या आमच्या गेस्टाक तुमी सगळीं वळखतात. शी इज ब्युटिफूल, शी इज गॉर्जस, शी इज क्वीन ऑफ आवर हार्ट्स, शी इज मिस गोवा 2016 रनर अप. इतलेंच न्हय तर कॉन्टेंट क्रिएटर, एंटरप्रिनर अँड ऑल्सो मॉमी टू आर डियरस्ट अमायरा. सो इतलें सगळें इंट्रोडक्शन आयकून तुमी वळखलेच आसतली. वी हॅव विथ अस द गॉर्जस शिवानी दिवकर. वेलकम मॅम ऑन आवर शो.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ritti.
कशी आसा तुमी?
Good, and I'm very excited to be a part of this podcast today.
ओके, सो थँक्यू सो मच की इन्स्टेड तुम्ही बिझी आसा तरी आसतना आमच्या पॉडकास्टाक तुम्ही वेळ काडलो आणि खरेंच खूप खूप थँक्यू तुमकां.
No worries.
ओके, हाव इज अमायरा?
Amara is doing perfectly fine, and I'm thankful to you all to schedule the shoot at my place for my convenience also.
या
Thanks.
प्लेजर इज आज. आणि अमायरा, वी लव वॉचिंग हर रील्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम अँड खरेंच आमकां खूब आवडटा ताजे रील्स. फेवरेट रील म्हटल्यार म्हजो की शी इज लायक ते नुस्तेकान न्हिसो एक हें करता न्ही, बांगडे
हय,
विकता.
हय.
सो दॅट रील आय फावंड लायक खरेंच म्हाका खूब आवडलो. अँड इवन दॅट तिखट गोबी तुमगेरूच शूट केला दिसता न्ही.
It wasn't like a shoot, just random videos काडटा ताजे.
Okay.
And I posted.
ओके, सो खूब आवडटा. सो आमी न्ही आतां चायल्डहूड डेजांतल्यानूच सुरू करया. म्हटल्यार तुमचे चायल्डहूड डेज कशे आशिल्ले?
So म्हजें childhood म्हणल्यार I am from the north. I'm from Arpora. It's a village आणि पण ती it's not like a typical village. It's a very active village. A lot of things keep happening there. आणि म्हजें घर सारकें रस्त्यार आसा आनी ऑपोजीट माय हावज इज अ टेंपल. आनी आमी दीसभर उठून त्या देवळान खेळपाक वतालीं. सकाळ ती सांज पर्यंत आमी थंयच आसतालीं. लोक बाकीचीं भुरगीं घरा वतालीं जाल्यार हांव थंयच रावतालें आनी म्हजी घरांतलीं आपयतालीं यो घरा जेवपाक यो. पण हांव थंयच रावून तांच्या वाट पळयतालें ती केन्ना येतली ती. सो तशें आशिल्लें आनी मार खूब खाला, मस्ती खूब केला. आनी
स्कुलान कशें आशिल्लें?
स्कुलान ऑल्सो व्हेरी नॉटी आनी I was an average student. हांव अशें टॉपर न्ही, नॉर वॉज आय I was always an average student. And but I was I was into all curriculum every time. So that was how
फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट बीन याद आसा? मॅथ्स आवडटालो?
No, I was very bad at maths. Maths म्हणल्यार I सांगू शकना. It was very difficult for me to pass maths. So yeah.
ओके, सो तुमची कंटेंट क्रिएशन जर्नी तुमची कशी स्टार्ट केली लायक तुमी?
Content creation as in first initially Instagram आशिल्लो. I used to just post pictures, and since I was into modeling, I liked being taken, being on in front of the camera posing, and I loved doing that. And so I started posting pictures. Slowly I built up the confidence of making videos. Talking in front of the camera is not very easy. Posing is fine, but talking is you would know how it is.
Yeah.
So slowly that happened, and then slowly once I started posting, then लोकूय मी अप्रिशिएट करपाक लागले. आय गॉट रेकग्नायज्ड अँड दॅट्स हाव इट स्टार्टेड.
ओके, आणि आमकां न्ही तुमी मिस गोवा 2016 रनर अप जेन्ना तुमी जाल्ली तेन्ना तुमच्यो फिलिंग्स कितें आशिल्ल्यो?
To be very honest, I was disappointed. In fact, Miss Goa runners up, and I got 2 titles. I was Miss Popular as well.
Okay.
But that was not what I wanted. I wanted the main title. I
Okay,
wanted
Miss
to be
Goa.
Miss Goa. But since I wasn't, I was very disappointed. But I would say that my entire family, my friends, everybody who came there to support me, that made me happy. That was it.
ओके आणि तेजो एक्सपिरियन्स म्हटल्यार कशें स्टार्ट जाल्ले तो एक्सपिरियन्स मातसो शेअर करा न्ही.
So start जावपाक it was random. It was not planned.
ओके म्हटल्यार पयलीं कितें ऑडिशन्स बीन तशें कितें
हय
दिवचें
हय.
पडटा.
So हांव मॉडलिंग करतालें. I used to walk the ramp for a few brands. I mean designers. But that also was a part-time thing. आनी I think म्हज्या एकट्या फ्रेंडान सांगलें शिवानी ऑडिशन्स आसा मिस गोवाचे. Would you want to participate? I said okay fine, let's try.
Okay.
Try my luck. So हांव गेलें आनी I got selected आनी it was in Margao itself. आनी एक गजाल, मारगांव येतना I told my father, I said, Daddy, केन्नाच हांव मडगांव म्हणटा तें येवचें ना. कित्याक from Arpora to Margao. आनी to my luck, I don't know,
You
my
are in
destiny.
Margao.
I'm married in Margao. But yeah, so when that auditions happened, and after that there was a 5 days training.
Okay.
You know how to walk and the ramp and everything. Then the talent round, everything that was there. They
But
prepared us
you
for
were
that.
confident for that.
Was I confident? Not really, because there were 15 other people there with me, right? So it wasn't, in my heart it was just that I love doing this. So म्हाका आवडटा म्हणून हांव गेल्लें. So जिखपाकूच जाय अशें नाशिल्लें तकलेन, पण
आवडटा म्हणून.
आवडटा म्हणून गेल्लें. बट मागीर एज इन वेन द डेज पास्ट म्हज्या तकलेन अशें आशिल्लें ना आतां शिवानी यू हॅव टू वीन. यू हॅव टू शो युअर बेटर देन द रेस्ट. सो that was how it was.
That's inspirational thing. आणि you have worked cabin crew म्हणून सुद्धा न्ही इंडिगो खातीर.
हय, हय.
सो तो लायकींग कसो आयलो.
So my father was into customs. He was a superintendent of customs. He retired as a superintendent. आणि so एअरपोर्टार आमची फावट जायत आसताली. सो आनी डॅडी बरोबर हांव वतालें एअरपोर्टार. आनी they look very pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, now at least I don't know how it is, but first it was they only wanted pretty looking crew. आनी एअरपोर्टार हांव तांकां पळयतालें आनी हांव डॅडीक म्हणटालें, डॅडी ती कितली बरी दिसता, म्हाका तांच्या भशेन जावपा जाय. ल्हान आसतना म्हणटालें. आनी तें एक ड्रीम आशिल्ली, पण हांवें केन्ना चिंतून नाशिल्लें दॅट आय वील become a crew. I केन्नाच चिंतून नाशिल्लें. It was just there. And one random day, my friend who was working for Indigo, she happened to come down. ताणें म्हाका म्हटलें, why don't you try, No. So I was like, ना. But I asked my father, I was like, कर try, करपाक कितें आसा, कर try. So I went for the interview in Bangalore. It was spontaneous. It was not even planned. म्हणजे तकलेन नाशिल्लें. हांव गेलें Bangalore. I gave an interview. Out of 200 people, I think only 4 candidates were selected, and I was among one of them. And that's how it is. And me from Bangalore, I was selected, and then there were other few interviews rounds that I had to clear, and I did that.
Okay, very nice. So much this inspirational. And आमकां मातशें सांगा की what are the 3 most important thing to feel confident or to be confident.
Okay, to be confident, I would say firstly, believe in yourself.
Okay.
Always believe in yourself, and know your flaws and your cons, pros and your cons. So if tuka khabar asa, if you're good at something, enhance it, practice kar, keep practicing, and self motivation, I would say, keep motivating yourself. Kennaच आपल्याक never ever say like, hey म्हजेन जावपा ना, हांव बरें ना, or हांव बरें दिसना. When you say that, this is how you दुसऱ्याच्या मनान तें घालता. तूं स्वता सांग आपूण बरें म्हणून जाल्यार दुसरोय मनीस तुका बरोच म्हणून चिंततलो सदांच. आनी you'd never be afraid of failures म्हणटा ते लायफान जाताच. खूब फाटी तूं you will not succeed. खूब फाटी तुका you will fumble लायफान. आतां so but it's okay, you can practice, learn to accept that, And I think, yeah, so that's how you should be confident, and and most importantly, believe in yourself, I would say.
ओके सो हे सगळें करता आसतना यू नीड अ ह्यूज सपोर्ट लायक सपोर्ट सिस्टम इज मस्ट सो तुमचे फॅमिली फ्रेंड्स तुमकां लायक ते कितले रोल इम्पॉर्टंट प्ले करता तुमच्या लायफान तरी
म्हज्या लायफान जाल्यार माय होल credit goes to my parents,
Yeah.
my father and my mother. My family has been very, very supportive. In fact, even my in-laws, my father-in-law, he has been supporting me, my husband, all of that. Like, I've, touch wood, I have been blessed with people, good people around me who support me with my dreams and whatever I have in my mind. And so basically, कितें म्हाका केन्नाय करपाक जाय आशिल्लें, first thing my father, he always said, शिवानी कर गो तूं, काय ना, कर तूं काय भिवू नाका, कर कितेंय जावं तें. केन्नाच म्हाका he never stopped me from doing anything. He said try and you never know what might click, so go try. तशें सुद्दां डॅडी सांगतालो.
अँड हाव फ्रेंड्स प्ले इम्पॉर्टंट लायक तेंचे रोल
Friends definitely play an important role, because सगळ्यांक खबर आसतलें that how I'm always around my friends.
Yeah.
I'm always planning this or that. And if you have supportive friends, that also matters, because आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल हांव आतां मिस गोवा जावपाक कारण माय फॅमिली ऑल्सो अँड माय फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज इफ दे डीड नॉट सपोर्ट मी अँड दे डीड नॉट टेल मी शिवानी कर गो आमी आसा तुज्या बरोबर, द cheer you need. It was my friends. They were there always, throughout my and they have been even now, like even
वी सी युअर फोटोज
even now, like हांव आतां सपोज फोन करून सांगलें, म्हाजी फ्रेंडां, हांव रावतालें आरपोरा, म्हाका फोणेच्यान फोन केलो, यो रे मातसो म्हाका हें जाय रे, कितें म्हटल्यार फोणेच्यान येतालें, माशेलच्यान येतालें. आनी आय एम ब्लेस्ड, आय वूड से, लायक आय हॅव सेड नो, आय एम ब्लेस्ड विथ वेरी गुड पीपल अराउंड मी. सो या
आरपोराच्यान मडगांव कशें पावले
आरपोर तेंच हांव म्हणटालें, म्हाका नाकाच ट्रॅवलींग इट इज. आनी आतां जाल्यार विचारूच नाका, पण पयलीं इट वॉज लायक पावना, आनी आय वॉज लायक तेरी हांगा नाकाच म्हटलेलें. बट इट जस्ट हॅपन, आय मेट
शेअर युअर लव्ह स्टोरी विथ अस
yeah, definitely. So I met Nitish on Instagram,
Yeah?
Facebook, yeah.
फेसबुक
Yeah, so there was a mutual friend, but how Nitishak वळखत नाशिल्लें, I didn't know Nitish existed. Nitish didn't know I existed, I suppose. And that was it. And ताणें म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट धाडलो on Facebook. And I usually don't accept friend requests if I don't know that person. But when I checked, there was a mutual friend, and his picture also was very attractive, very good looking guy. So I said, okay, why not, so I accepted. And that's how it started. We started chatting, and within 5 days of us like talking and meeting, he asked me if I would want to marry him within 5 days.
5 days?
Yeah. And I was like, okay, आता कितें म्हणपाचें हाका. And I told my parents about him. My dad was like, very good guy, very good boy, go ahead, आमकां काय प्रॉब्लेम ना, तूं if you're happy, we are happy. So that was it.
सो खूब बरी आशिल्ली तुमची लव स्टोरी, सो रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. आनी वी हॅव सीन युअर प्रेग्नन्सी फेज, लायक तुमी पोस्ट करताली न्ही हेजेर इंस्टाग्रामाचेर. सो तुमची प्रेग्नन्सी फेज कशी आशिल्ली, लायक वॉज इट डिफिकल्ट?
My pregnancy had a lot of ups and downs. It was a smooth pregnancy overall,
Okay.
but ups and downs म्हणल्यार it was during COVID. And in the first 3 months, I think the third month, I lost my father. And I lost him to cancer, like so I was completely in a shock. And since I don't know, I've kept repeating my father's name again. You would know how close I am to him. I've been very close to him. And when I lost him, I didn't really understand what I should be doing. And I was pregnant. I had to take care of the baby inside me also, So that period was very tough. But I would say it was my in-laws, it was my father-in-law, my माय हजबंड केन्नाच कितेंच आय नेवर इवन लायक इन 9 months आय थिंक नॉट इवन वन्स एकदां सुद्दां हांव झगडूं ना म्हज्या हजबंडा बरोबर म्हणजे एक आर्ग्युमेंट जावना ही वॉज कितेंय म्हणटालें न्ही हांव हय करया कितेंय म्हटल्यार मागला कितेंय म्हटल्यार एवरीथींग वेंट सो स्मूथली आनी मदींच म्हाका कोविडूय जालो ड्युरींग प्रेग्नन्सी आनी आय हॅड टू बी आयसोलेटेड आनी आय it was a different phase altogether. I thought I became a complete different person during my pregnancy. Like, खूप शांत जालें खूप I started understanding things better. I started seeing things in a different way. And yeah, so
मोस्ट क्रेव्ड फूड ड्युरींग प्रेग्नन्सी खंयचे आशिल्ले?
crave food हांवें सगळें खालां
Everything?
सगळें खालां म्हाका डॉक्टर्स सांगताले लायक पीपल हांगा लोक येवन सांगताली शिवानी हें खावं नाका तें खावं नाका पण हांवें आय आस्क माय डॉक्टर सेड अनलेस एंड अंटील आय टेल यू नॉट टू ईट एनीथींग डोंट डू कोणाचेंच आयकनाका हांव डॉक्टर तुजो तूं जाय तें खा सगळें चॉकलेट्स म्हण जॅकफ्रूट खावं नाका म्हणटा जॅकफ्रूट खाला पपाया एवरीथींग आय एट during my pregnancy and in that case it was a very smooth pregnancy. I didn't have any issues.
ओके
Yeah.
सो नायस आनी अमायरा इज रियली अ ब्लेसिंग सो आमकां अमायराचे थोडे क्यूट मुवमेंट शेअर करा न्ही
अमायराचे क्यूट मोमेंट्स म्हणजे देर आर सो मेनी बेसिकली एवरीथींग म्हजो दीस रात सगळे अमायराच्या बरोबर आसता सो आतां म्हणलें कितें म्हणल्यार ते म्हाका आई आनी बाबा आमकां म्हणटा सो द वे शी कॉल्स आउट टू मी आई म्हणटा पळय तेन्नाच माय हार्ट जस्ट मेल्ट्स राग सुद्दां आयलो न्ही जस्ट आय बिकम वेरी सॉफ्ट विथ हर आनी ते केन्ना अशें कितें जाय सपोज ताका कितें आमचे कडेन मागपाक जाय जाल्यार समथें हात बीन जोडून प्लीज आई अशें म्हणटा की तूं कोण कितें सगळो राग विसरतलें तूं सगळेंच काडून ताका दितलें आनी so she's a very shy child actually but though I post everything about her she's a very shy child when she'll see a stranger ते अशें उलोवपा ना she's very खूब थंड भुरगें म्हणजे घोवाचेर गेला थंड in terms of थंड but everything else yeah
तुमचे न्ही फर्स्ट 2 years आफ्टर पोस्टपार्टम कशें आशिल्ले
first 2 years I think I did go into a little depression because from a very happy phase when I see myself in a mirror seeing myself my body completely changed.
Yes.
I did go a little low on in terms of
फिजिकल
physical appearance. I felt like now bore disna so but to help me with that my father-in-law is a psychiatrist. He helped me overcome that. He helped me during the
Postpartum
the postpartum depression and I would say it happens to a lot of people. खूब जाणांक खबर नासता की आपल्याक डिप्रेशन जाला म्हणून पोस्टपार्टम बट आनी आमची सगळी जाणटी आसता हें ना तें कांय ना म्हणून ते सोडून दिता पण it actually takes a very big toll on your health and your mental health.
Yes.
But and you need to recognize that and take consult a psychiatrist or take help. It's always good and because तूं तुजे एक भुरग्याक ल्हान भुरग्याक सांबाळटा आनी it is you as a mother who has to look after the child. So mental health is very important.
ओके आतां अमायरा स्कुलान वता प्ले स्कुलान वता न्ही सो आतां मदरहूड जर्नी कशी चल्ला आफ्टर 3 years
it's the same तुका कळटलें within like few months I think you would understand how it is because सकाळी उठचेच पडटा खावचेच पडटा तांचे न्हावपाचें सगळें करपाचें तुका करचेंच पडटा इट्स द सेम ओन्ली आय थिंक 3 hours ऑफ ब्रेक आय गेट when she goes to her school but in 3 वरां अशीच वता ताका सोडून येता म्हणसर लायक आय एम वर्किंग आवट आनी जेवण करता म्हजें मील रेडी करता म्हणसर आय हॅव टू गो पिक हर अप ताका हाडून मागीर परत ताज्या फाटल्यान द होल सर्कल अगेन रिवायंड सो देर इज no difference But the fact that she's going to school, I'm very happy that she's learning, she's mixing around with other children, and yeah, that's how it is.
तुमची डिलिव्हरी डेचो एक एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर करू शकता
Delivery day. So माझं I delivered in October, and माझी मम्मा आयल्ली. नितीश मुंबय गेल्लो एक दिसा खातीर. सकाळी 5 कितें गेल्लो सकाळीचो फ्लायटान, आनी ही वॉज सपोज टू कम लेट नायट, आनी तो 10 कसो घरा पावला, आनी म्हजी मम्मा आयल्ली घरा बिकॉज ड्यू डेट म्हाका आफ्टर 23rd केन्नाय जावं शकता म्हणून सांगिल्लें.
ऑक्टोबर
ओके, सो वेन दे केम मम्मा बीन आयली आनी नितीश हांव रावलें, आमी जेवली बीन रातची. नितीश फ्लायटीन आयलो. ही रीच्ड आय थिंक बाय 11 कसो घरा पावलो. ताच्या बरोबर रावन तो जेवलो आनी वी वेंट टू स्लीप. आनी आमी न्हिदली, आनी न्हिदताना आय फेल्ट लायक अ बलून बस्ट.
ओ
सो आय हर्ड द सावंड आनी हांव चित्ता हो कसलो आवाज तो. आनी आय गॉट अप, वी वेंट टू द वॉशरूम अँड आय रियलायज दॅट माय वॉटर ब्रोक. हांव दार ओपन केलें आनी हांव म्हणलें, नितीश उठ आमकां. आनी ही वॉज व्हेरी टायर्ड सिन्स ही वॉज वर्कींग होल डे, ही वॉज ट्रॅवलिंग एंड वर्कींग. सो हांव म्हणलें उठ, आय थिंक माय वॉटर ब्रोक. आमकां डॉक्टर पप्पा कुठे, आमकां डॉक्टरा कडेन वचचें पडटलें. आनी हांव अशें दारा कडेन आसा आनी ही इज लायक, आतां शिवानी फाल्यां सकाळीं गेल्यार चलना. म्हणल्यार नितीश कितें उलयता. सो ही वॉज व्हेरी टायर्ड, नॉट हिज फॉल्ट, बट ही वॉज लायक फास्ट जावं शकता. ताका
ताका
खबर
तुमी
ना
आयडिया दिवन आसली
कितें
लायक डिलिव्हरीची लायक कितें जाता आनी कितें
ना, कोणा म्हाकाच स्वता खबर नाशिल्लें. सो आय वॉज लायक माय वॉटर ब्रोक एंड देन he got up and taka कळ्ळें. Then he realized, and then that night papa, everybody, we rushed to the hospital and I didn't have any labor. म्हाका काय पेन काय नाशिल्लो. So then we had to offer a C-section and that was it. And the next morning I had my daughter in my arms.
हाव डज इट फील्स
It felt beautiful. I don't know. It felt more beautiful when I saw Nitish holding my daughter. म्हजे कडेन फिलिंग्स कांय नाशिल्ली, but seeing Nitish holding her
पेन बी सगळें वता मागीर.
no, either way आमी पेन किलराचेर आसता,
Ah.
to be honest. C-section, like, so कांय फरक पडना, but to see them, that was like a whole picture. It's just there in my mind and my heart always.
सो क्यूट.
Thank you.
कितें 5 एडवायसीस फॉर न्यू पेरंट्स किंवा न्यू बी पेरंट्स टू बी जावपाचे आसा ते पेरंट्स.
Advice, I wouldn't suggest, like, it won't be an advice, but 5 बीन ना म्हजे कडेन. I'll just be random.
म्हणजे एक्सपिरियन्स थ्रू युअर एक्सपिरियन्स.
म्हज्या एक्सपिरियन्सा वयल्यान सांगता. मेन मेजर म्हणल्यार वेन यू आर प्रेग्नंट, सांगलां तशें लोक तुका सांगपी खूब आसतले. लिसन टू योर सेल्फ, योर बॉडी, एंड लिसन टू योर डॉक्टर. दॅट्स इट. नोबडी एल्स नोज यू बेटर. थोडी डॉक्टर म्हाका म्हणपाक लागलो एक दीस की आपल्याक येवन सांगता, आपल्यान 5 प्रेग्नन्सी केला, तूं आपली 5 भुरगीं जाली, तूं कोण सांगपी म्हाका. ताणें 5 केला आसतली, पण तो म्हणटा एवरी पर्सन इंडिविज्युअल इज डिफरंट, रायट? सो यू ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड that every body, every human is different, every body functions differently. So listen to your doctor will suggest you what is right, what is wrong. तुका लोक सांगता by experience, don't go by that. So that is my personal feeling. आणि during pregnancy ते. आणि दुसरी म्हणल्यार once you get a baby, I would say again, खूब लोक तुका सांगतलो अशें करप, भुरग्याक अशें धरप, भुरग्यान अशें करप. ती सगळी सांगतली खरें, पण ती एक्चुअल प्रॅक्टिकल टायमार कोण आसपाना. इट इज यू, योर हजबंड एंड योर बेबी. सो इट्स यू आर अ टीम. तुमी तिगाय मेळून यू हॅव टू फिगर अ वे आउट वॉट इज द वॉट इज बेस्ट फॉर यू. तशें चिंतून तुमी ऑल शूड गो हेड.
हय, आनी थँक्यू टू यू. कित्याक तुमकां खबर आसा, हांव तुमकां विचारतालें बेबी कशें न्हाणोवपाचें, कितें करपाचें. तुमकां टॅक्स्ट करतालें आनी विथीन दॅट यूज टू रिप्लाय. सो खरेंच खूब लायक यू आर सो डावन टू अर्थ इन दॅट टर्म्स. की कळना न्ही फर्स्ट टायम कितें करपाचें आनी
सो
कितें
आनी ताका लागून अगेन आय वूड नेवर सजेस्ट समबडी लायक म्हाका दुसऱ्याकूय कितें सांगपाक न्ही भंय दिसता कित्याक तुमचे भुरगे तुमकां खबर आसतले
Yes.
कशें रावता कोणाक कितलें कशें आवडटा कितें सम पीपल आर नॉट ऑयल मसाज म्हटल्यार थोड्या भुरग्यांक पचना certain oil, they're allergic to it. And suppose if it works for my child, doesn't mean it would work for you. So, taka लागून न्ही I always take precaution first. Like, I ask my doctor. First thing, what my doctor says, then if my doctor gives me a heads up, how करता.
बट तुमी जेन्ना ते पोस्ट करताले न्ही एक स्मॉल दीस हेल्पफूल टिप्स
Yeah.
खरेंच खूब हेल्प जाताले आमकां स्पेशली म्हाका जाल्यार म्हाज्या एक्सपिरियन्सांतल्यान हांव सांगता इवन तुमी ते बेबी नेल ट्रिमर तुमी हे केल्ले न्ही इट हेल्प मी एटलिस्ट 6 months तरी न्ही हांवें तो यूज केला बट पयलीं म्हाका खबर नाशिल्लें
Yeah.
बिफोर यू पोस्ट द स्टोरी
Even I think I saw it on some influencers post to me. हांवें try केलो. When it worked for me, that's when I
खरेंच
shared
खूब
it, yeah.
हेल्पफूल जालो कित्याक पयलीं हांव नेल कटरान नेल्स कट
आनी
करतालें
मातसो भंय
बाबूची
दिसता.
कितलो भंय दिसता आनी मातसो ताका लागत जाल्यार तितलेंच पुरो न्ही ते रेड जावपाक सो
exactly,
ताका
yeah.
मातशें रेड जालें काय इट्स लायक
Yeah.
हार्ट ब्रेकिंग
Yeah.
बट तुमची ती स्टोरी पळोवन खरेंच 6 months तरी न्ही म्हाका आय वॉज सो रिलॅक्स्ड की हांव मनांतल्यान म्हणटालें थँक्यू शिवानी खातीर तरी इतले तरी हेल्प जाले सो दॅट हेल्प मी अ लॉट खरें तुमी म्हणजे अशे सोशल मिडियाज आमी म्हणटा की वायट आनी बरें अशें बट बरें जेन्ना आमी बरें पळयता किंवा कोण हेल्प करता इट्स लायक रियली गूड थिंग न्ही
Yeah, true. I have also learned a lot through social media. Things I've never seen in my life, I saw it through social media, and that's how I think everybody should look at it that way, and learn what you can.
हय आनी पीपल लायक यू
Yeah.
लायक खरेंच कॉन्टेंट क्रिएटर म्हणटा आमी तुमची एंटरप्रिनरशीप जर्नी लायक तुमी मॉडर्न नारी जे तुमचे बिझनस रन करता सो ते कशें स्टार्ट जाले
So after my modeling, I always had this in my mind, like म्हाका fashion. I always had a liking towards fashion, आनी modeling करून मागीर when I won Miss Goa, म्हाका अशें दिसलें की गोंयान very few places. I think very few न्ही अशी नाच एक जागोच ना where very fashionable outfits मेळटा अशें म्हाका दिसूच नाशिल्लें आनी at a very affordable price ते म्हणटा लायक मुंबय बँड्रा स्ट्रीट आसा और दिल्ली सरोजनी नगर गोंयान तशें कांय नाशिल्लेंच एवरीथींग इज एक्झॉर्बिटंट कितेंय घेता जाल्यार इट्स चड म्हारग आसतालें सो आय वॉज लायक आमचे कॉलेज गोईंग किड्सांक टू ड्रेस अप एंड गो यू नीड समथींग दॅट इज अफोर्डेबल सो आय thought of that. I took that as a concept and I started. And first, initially, it was I was targeting a college client, and eventually, now after marriage, I have a different client altogether. So it is affordable, but it's not for college-going kids. It is for working women like us, and yeah. So
ओके तुमची पेजू आसा न्ही मॉडर्न नारी
हय.
सो इफ ऑडियन्स तुमकां पळोवपाक जाय जाल्यार इंस्टाग्रामाचेर यू कॅन चॅक मॉडर्न नारी दीस वी ऑल्सो आमी तुमकां न्ही वर्कआउट्स बीन करतना पळयता होम वर्कआउट्स लायक इन्स्पिरेशन मेळटा आमकां
हय होम वर्कआउट स्टार्टेड ड्युरींग कोवीड आय
सो
स्टार्टेड
ते कशें प्लॅन करता तुमी ओन प्लॅन करता की
No, I was following an instructor. I worked out under him, and after COVID, when gym started, I started going to the gym. So basic knowledge, whatever I have in terms of working out, I plan a workout.
म्हणजे एवरी डे प्लॅन करता कितें
आणि
करता
I work out because at the end of the day, like I said, if I don't feel good in my own body, then so that helps. Working out keeps me, on a move.
आनी डायट कशें मेंटेन करता लायक कसले डायट मेन प्रिफर करता टू
हांव
ईट
डायट अशें करना बट आय नो इवेंच्युअली सगळ्यांक खबर आसा वॉट इज गुड एंड वॉट इज नॉट गुड फॉर युअर बॉडी फॉर एग्जाम्पल शुगर इज नॉट गुड टू मच ऑफ शुगर इंटेक इज नॉट गुड सो अवॉइड दॅट एनीथिंग एक्सेस इज बॅड फॉर युअर हेल्थ सो सगळें जस्ट कीप इट लिमिट कॅलरी डेफिसिट करा लायक कमी म्हणजे हेल्दी खा बट इन अ लिमिट इतलें that's my mantra, I would say, to
हेल्दी लायफस्टायल
yeah.
ओके 3 अशे टिप्स दी आनी आमच्या जे यूथ्स आसा यंग इन द अर्ली 20s तांकां कितें तरी थोडे टिप्स जे तेंच्यांनी आतां फॉलो
the Gen Z, the Gen Zs. Yeah, so for them, it's very difficult to understand them, but one, like, there are major thing is first, I would say, find your niche. You know, find your talent, what you're good at. You know, enhance it. You know, make it more. Better than, you know, तशेंच तुमच्या भशेन आनीक 20 लोक आसतले. So to be better from the 20, you know, you need to be special. You need to practice and make it better. Secondly, I would say start saving. Start saving at early, you know, at your early 20s, whatever. मातशें सुद्दां कितें 100 रुपया मेळ्ळे, 20 रुपया सेविंग कर. When you start saving, you will know how, you know, to go about in life, and it will help you a lot in the future. And third, you know, give more time to your family, your friends. I know we at our age, what we do is we prioritize friendship over everything. That definitely do that. I've done that. I'm not saying, I'm not denying, but family, this time, the time with your family does not come back again. It's a very I'm talking from experience, because ती आज आसा आनी ती फाल्यां आसपाना. So you know, तांच्या बरोबर टायम स्पेंड कर. गिव देम ऑल वॉट यू हॅव. शेअर, टॉक विथ देम. कितें, यू नो, यू डोंट हॅव टू डू समथींग एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी. बसून च्या पी तांच्या बरोबर. जस्ट गिव मोर टायम टू युअर फॅमिली. अँड आय वूड से लास्टली, यू नो, एक्सेप्ट फेलियर्स. यू नो, लायक लायफान फेल जाता, बट गेट अप अँड कीप गोईंग. So that's all I want to say to the Gen Z club.
How important is self-care for you? Like me time?
Self-care. It is very important, no? Like, I would say, like, आता तू स्वताची केअर घेना जाल्यार तू, यू नो, तुजे सायडीक कोण आसा तांची सुद्दां तूं केअर घेवपाक शकचें ना. सो, यू नो, टेक युअर टायम आउट स्वता खातीर. हांव स्वता खातीर, लायक, माय वर्किंग आउट, my workout, basically my workout routine. You know, when I'm preparing my meals, these are those times, like, for me it's like a self care. I'm happy within that. Or, you know, just going for a round. Ekte WhatsApp is also very different, you know, like,
सांगा आणि आमकां शेअर करा. So we would love to hear that.
So ekte वचून बसप, you know, just recollecting whatever you're doing, you know, in your life, just processing everything in your mind, being with yourself. That is self-care to me. Like, you know, just taking care of your mental health.
Yes.
Is self-care, I would say.
आणि traveling, yes. How as in solo trip करू ना, but I would really want to. But when I was with Indigo, obviously traveling खूप जाल्लें. आणि इवन विथ माय हजबंड आमचे गोल्स आसता, लायक, यू नो, एवरी इयर वी मेक अ गोल ऑफ ट्रॅवलिंग टू वन कंट्री ऑर, यू नो, सर्टन प्लेसीस. वी लव ट्रॅवलिंग. आणि yeah, I would say travel. How was your trip to Abu Dhabi? You visited Dubai, right?
Yeah, that was, I think, for Myra's birthday, first birthday कडे गेल्ली आमी. So it was very nice. I loved Dubai. बरें आशिल्लें. आणि traveling again with an infant to, you know,
मातो एक्सपिरियन्स बीन शेअर करा आमकां.
इंटरनॅशनल, इट वॉज फन. सगळे म्हणटा कशें करता तूं ट्रॅवल. तूं हांगाच घरा कडल्यान तूं शॉपार वता तशेंच भुरग्याक घेवन वता. नथींग ग्रेट एज लॉंग एज यू फीड युअर बेबी ऑन टायम. तुजे भुरगे तुका कांयच त्रास दिवपा ना.
आनी बेस्ट टायम टू ट्रॅवल इज 6 monthsच्या भितर, कित्याक बेबी तेन्ना म्हणजे
ते दिता ते खाता.
हय.
सो ती कांय त्रासूय करपा ना तुमकां. आनी, यू नो, everything should be planned according to their schedule. So that helps you, you know, with going to places or whatever, distance. तांचे जेवणाचो प्लॅन कर. आनी नॉट ओन्ली दुबय, एनीवेर you're going. Just like हांगच्यान आतां म्हाका आरपोरा वचपाक आतां I know it takes me, you know, 1 to 2 hours because it's that far, and with the traffic. So I plan accordingly, you know, like ताजें कितें कितें खावपाक ताका भूक लागतली तूं यू नो युअर चायल्ड बेटर सो ताका कितें खावपाक लागतलें कितें जाय ऑल प्लॅन इट अकॉर्डिंगली एंड देन डू इट सो दॅट्स हाव इट वॉज सो या
नाव वील हॅव अ क्वीक फन रावंड
Okay.
थोडे हांव तुमकां डायलॉग्स दितले मुवीचे
ओके
सो तुमी ते म्हणपाचे इन दॅट स्टायल ओके
ओके
फर्स्ट डायलॉग म्हटल्यार फ्रॉम जब वी मेट मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ
मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ
वाओ नाइस सेकेंड इज तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो
तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो नॉट फेयर
great so we can see that acting you like acting no can see that on reels also amka dista ki
Yeah.
it's like seriously so beautiful to watch you on reels
Thank you so much.
okay so तुमकां कशें दिसलें आमच्या पॉडकास्टाचेर येवन
It was amazing. I've never, like I've said, I've never done this before. It definitely has given me, I would say I have learned something. I'm more confident enough to try this. Like, at the next time म्हाका कोण आपयता जाल्यार I would obviously say yes because I've never question answer, talking, looking into the camera. All of this is completely new and it's something really nice. मजा आयली.
मजा आयली न्ही
हय.
लायक मेन आमचो एम आसलो की म्हाजे तरी जे कलिग्स आसा आनी म्हजे फ्रेंड्स आसा दे फॉलो यू लायक दे आर डाय हार्ड फॅन ऑफ यू
How sweet.
म्हणजे तांचे डिमांड असले की ओके म्हणजे ती न्हू तुमचे रिल्स फॉलो करता इवन हांव तुमकां फॉलो करता सो वी फॉलो यू लायक सो आमकां खूब आवडटा तुमी लायक लेडी क्रश
Thank you.
सो कीप डुईंग द रिल्स एंड एवरीथींग
Yes.
आमकां खूब आवडटा ते करपाक
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much, Ripti.
तुमकां थँक्यू की तुमी येयली आमच्या पॉडकास्टाचेर
Yes.
म्हणून तर तुमी हो पॉडकास्ट पळयला आसतलो तुमकां हो पॉडकास्ट कसो दिसलो तो आमकां प्लीज सांगात आनी अशेंच जर तुमकां बरे बरे पॉडकास्ट पळोवपाक जाय जाल्यार आमचो हो चॅनल गोवा एज्यू हब सबस्क्रायब करपाक विसरूं नाका आनी इंस्टाग्रामाचेर द रियल टॉक विथ तृप्ती जो अकावंट आसा तो फॉलो करा आनी शिवानी मॅमाक तुमी तर फॉलो करतात आसतली तेजो सुद्दां हांव तुमकां लिंक दिता आनी ह्यो जो व्हिडिओ आसा ह्या व्हिडिओचेर खूब लायक्स दिया कमेंट दियात आनी शेअर करात आनी आमकां असोच मोग दियात देव बरें करूं